Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Path to Fluent English. I am Chloe. I am your teacher. Today, we are going to the ocean.
Oh, I love the ocean. I am Sam, and I am so excited. But, Chloe, I have a problem. I went to the beach last Sunday. I wanted to talk to a man there. He had a big chair. I wanted to sit, but I did not know the words.
Oh, what did you say, Sam?
I pointed at the sand. I said, "Can I sit on your yellow floor?"
The yellow floor? Oh, Sam, you mean the sand.
Yes, the sand. He looked at me very confused. He said, "The beach is free, sir." I felt so silly. I need to learn beach words. Help me, Chloe.
It is okay. Today, the topic is a day at the beach. We will learn about the sun, the water, and the things we carry. Are you ready, listeners? Are you ready, Sam?
I am ready. I have my sunglasses. Let's go.
Let's start with the golden phrases. 5 sentences for the sun and the sea. Sentence number 1. It is a sunny day. Say it with me, Sam.
It is a sunny day.
Good. Number 2. I want to swim. Swim is the action in the water.
I want to swim. I love swimming.
Sentence number 3. Where is my towel? A towel is what we use to get dry after the water.
Where is my towel? I always lose my towel.
Sentence number 4. Put on your sunscreen. Sunscreen is the cream for your skin to protect you from the sun.
Put on your sunscreen. Okay, important.
And number 5. The water is cold or the water is warm. We use this when we touch the ocean.
The water is cold. Brr. I have them. Sunny day, swim, towel, sunscreen, cold water.
Story time. Sam, tell us about your trip to Spain. You went to the beach there, right?
Oh, yes, it was beautiful. Huge blue water, lots of people. I was very happy. I had my swimsuit and my bag. I walked to the water. It was very hot. The sand was like fire. I needed to put something on my feet.
Your sandals or flip-flops?
Yes, my flip-flops. But I could not find them. I looked in my bag, no flip-flops. I looked under my towel, no flip-flops. I started to run to the water. I was shouting, "My feet are cooking! My feet are cooking!"
Oh no, Sam.
People were looking at me. I saw a woman with a shop. I ran to her. I wanted to buy new shoes for the beach, but I forgot the word for flip-flops. I said, "Hello, I need 2 plastic cookies for my feet."
Plastic cookies, Sam? That is amazing.
She laughed so loud. She said, "Cookies? You want to eat your feet?" I said, "No, to walk on the fire sand." She pointed to the wall. She said, "You mean flip-flops?" I said, "Yes, please, give me the flip-flops." I bought them and I ran to the ocean. Splash! It felt so good, but I will never forget the plastic cookies.
That is a very funny mistake. Listeners, remember, flip-flops. They make a sound, flip-flop, flip-flop. Say it with me. Flip-flops. Good. Don't ask for cookies for your feet.
Actually, Chloe, I have a grammar question. Can I say, I am go to the beach?
No, mistake. Stop. Listeners, listen to Sam. He said, I am go. That is wrong. You have two choices. You can say, I go to the beach for a habit, or I am going to the beach for now, right now.
Oh, so I am going to the beach because I am walking now.
Exactly. Good job. Let's practice, listeners. Repeat after me. I am going to the beach. Very good. Now, let's do a deep dive. Let's talk about the things we see. What is the big blue thing, Sam?
That is the sea or the ocean?
Both are correct. The sea is usually smaller. The ocean is very, very big. And what is the white thing on top of the water that moves?
Oh, let me see. A wave?
Exactly. A wave. We can jump in the waves. It is very fun. But be careful. Some waves are very strong.
I like big waves. They are wow. And Chloe, what about the yellow thing in the sky?
That is the sun. The sun gives us light and heat. But remember the sunscreen. You don't want to be red like a tomato.
Like a tomato. Haha. Yes, I was a tomato in Spain. It was not good.
Also, we have a beach umbrella. It gives shade. Shade is the dark place under the umbrella. It is cool there.
Shade. I like the shade. I can rest in the shade and read a book.
Perfect. Rest. Remember our last lesson? We rest in the shade. Story number 2. My story. A successful day. 2 years ago, I was in Australia. The beaches there are famous. I was with a friend. We wanted to see the sunset. Do you know sunset, Sam?
Is that when the sun goes to sleep?
Yes, exactly. The sun goes down. The sky becomes pink and orange. It is very romantic and beautiful. We sat on our towels. We had some fruit, an apple and an orange. I looked at my friend. I used a simple phrase. I said, "Look at the sky. It is a beautiful sunset." He smiled. He said, "Yes, it is a perfect day." We didn't say many words, just simple English. But it was a great moment.
Wow, a perfect day. I want a perfect day.
You can have one. Just use your words. Don't be afraid. Let's do a role play. We are at the beach. I am your friend. You have the bag. Ask me for things. Ready?
Ready. Chloe, it is very hot.
Yes, it is. It is a very sunny day.
I want to swim. Where is the water?
The water is over there. Look at the big waves.
Oh, wow. But wait, my skin is hot. Do you have the sun cream?
Almost. Sunscreen. Yes, I have it. Here you go. Put it on your nose.
Okay, I am putting on the sunscreen. And Chloe, can we sit in the dark place?
The shade?
Yes, the shade, under the umbrella.
Good idea. Let's sit. End of role play. Sam, you are getting so much better. You remembered sunscreen and shade.
Thank you. I am a beach master now.
Time for the recap. Today we learned sunny day, swim, towel, sunscreen, and waves.
We learned flip-flops, not plastic cookies, and we learned shade and sunset.
And remember the grammar. I am going for now, not I am go.
I am going to learn more English.
Good job! Exactly. Now for your homework. Listeners, I want you to imagine a beach. Close your eyes. What do you see? Say it out loud. I see the blue sea. I see the yellow sand. I see a big umbrella. Use your voice.
Can I say, I see a cold soda?
Yes, I see a cold soda in my hand. Perfect. Thank you for listening to Path to Fluent English. You are doing great.
Yes, keep going. See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Practice every day. Bye-bye.